All right, folks, we're going to look at a process called protein synthesis, which is going to happen in all of our cells. And this is how our cells make proteins. Okay, so the first thing that we need to start with is in our cell. You can see we have that cytoplasm, but we're actually going to start in the nucleus. Okay, you can see we've got this DNA strand here in the nucleus, and we see that it's already unzipped. It's ready to be copied. Okay, so from the cytoplasm, these nucleotides, free RNA nucleotides, just floating around, ready to be used, are gonna come into the nucleus, and they're gonna match up with our DNA. Okay, and they're gonna match up because they're trying to make a copy. Or make a complementary copy, okay? So over some time, a strand is going to come together that's going to fit these spots, okay? So it's a little rough tape job, but as you can see, it fits together, right? This one's a little off kilter, but they fit, okay? And we've made this copy. It's not an exact copy, it's a complementary copy, right? You can see everywhere there's an A, there's a T. Everywhere there's an A, there's a U, which is actually different with RNA. A C with a G, G with a C, excuse me, and so on and so forth. And everything matches up. Okay, so that first step is called transcription. We've just transcribed the DNA. We've copied it. Okay? Now after transcription, this mRNA strand is going to slide out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm. Okay, it's going to go through those little holes in the nucleus, and it's going to move into the cytoplasm, where it's going to link up with the ribosome. Okay, so I'm just going to rearrange a little bit, move my amino acids over here, rid of my free nucleotides, all right, and our mRNA strand is going to go into our ribosome. You can see it's ready to be read through this ribosome. Okay. And so one of these sides is going to give us the start codon, which is methionine, which is AUG. And you can see that in this chart here. Okay. You can see that the first letter being A, U, and G gives us this methionine, okay? So one of these tRNAs is going to bring us that methionine. It's already going to be attached, okay? So methionine right here, which is our start, is going to be brought to the ribosome by the tRNA. And you can see these are going to match up through chemical bonding, right? It's not just shapes. It's not just a puzzle piece. This is chemical bonds. These are molecules that fit together and sort of click together like that. And we're modeling that with these shapes, okay? And so this methionine gets brought here, and it gets left there. Bam, okay? And it gets ready to get linked to some other amino acids to make a protein. All right, so we've got our chain ready to go. And let's not rip the paper this time. Okay? And so now our mRNA moves along 3 letters at a time. And it's going to read our next codon, which is CCU. So we find CCU. It's right here. That's going to give us proline. Okay? So the tRNA that matches up here is carrying proline. So we need the one that is right here, GGA. That's going to match up, right? And all the time, this is carrying around the cell, this is carrying proline. So when it sees that CCU, it brings that proline here and is going to add it to this chain. Okay, and so we now have a chain forming. This is 2 amino acids have been combined, and we're almost halfway through our protein. All right, so our tRNA moves away again. Our mRNA slides down 3 letters. Okay, so now we got GAG. So check it out. What do we got? GAG. That's glutamine. Okay, so that's gonna again get brought on one of these tRNAs, and it's this one right here. So this is always carrying glutamine, ready to go. And this one too, because that's also the same code, right? And this one would be carrying valine, right? So it matches up. GAG comes together. You can see our pointies match up, our rounds match up, and we're going to add this to our chain. Okay, and that moves off, and this moves on down the line to where we get to GAG again. And look at this, our glutamine is going to match up again. New glutamine, new paperclip. All right. Okay, so we've got now 4 amino acids lined up in a protein chain. Let's read our next code of 3, which is UAA. Okay, let's find it on the chart here. UAA, that says stop. Okay, that means we got nothing to add. We don't add this amino acid. This right here is our chain. Okay, met, pro, glue, glue. All right, that gives us the hemoglobin protein. This chain of amino acids